Representing Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City, I am Midshipman Lawrence Carl M. Giliwagan. Arevalo is the furthest district to the west in Iloilo City. It is located 6.29 kilometers or 3.91 miles away from Iloilo City proper. It shares its borders with the district of Molo to the east, Mandurrial to the northeast, and the municipality of Buton to the north and west. To the south, the Iloilo Strait and Villa Beach provide natural boundaries. Traversing the districts are the rivers of Iloilo and Batiano. Arevalo has a total of 13 barangays. Villa de Arevalo was formally founded as La Villarica de Arevalo by Gobernador Gonzalo Ronquillo de Peñalosa in 1581. The name Arevalo was derived from his hometown in Spain, making it one of the first places in the Philippines to be named in Spanish. The historic town of Arevalo, Iloilo, where the town is known as one of the earliest villas established by the Spaniards in the country. Yet, only a handful of the faithful knew that the parish of Arevalo houses the third oldest image of Santo Niño in the country, the miraculous and centuries-old image of Santo Niño de Arevalo. A convent with Spanish colonial style is at the side of the church and serves as the priest's residence, activity hall for church organizations, and administrative office. The centuries-old image of Santo Niño de Arevalo is that of a wooden image of the child Jesus in a kingly regalia. An embroidered set of vestments, wears a crown, holds a scepter, and a globus cruciger, which are diagnostic to most image of the Santo Niño in the Philippines. What was unique to this image is that the image has brown skin, yet his scarf hair is that of blonde color and the blue eyes. This image of Santo Niño de Arevalo is considered the third oldest in the Philippines after the Santo Niños of Cebu in 1521 and Tondo in 1572. The image of Santo Niño de Arevalo was said to be brought by the Augustinians upon the establishment of La Villarica de Arevalo, which is now been called Villa Arevalo, as a Spanish settlement and as the capital of Buton province in 1581. The missionaries believes that the image of child Jesus is instrumental in spreading the message of God's love for His people, especially the poor and needy. Located beside the Arevalo Church is a Spanish monument stands with a crown placed atop of it. It symbolizes unity of all Spaniards under the symbol of the crown, an important testimony to a common past between Spain and the Philippines through the Catholic faith as brought by Hispanic missionaries. The crown was dedicated to Spanish Queen Isabella II. Villa Arevalo was also given the title of Flower Capital of Iloilo. Sofia Reyes de Vera. Our Inday Piang is a Bilihanan by birth and in heart, the second child of Santiago de los Reyes and Eulalia Tiazon, a leading Asian woman of her era, a zealous advocate of women's role in development, an educator and a writer to enhance the life and academic skills of women, the first Filipino president of National Federation of Women's Clubs, and organizer of the first Filipino nursing schools, empowered Filipino woman beyond her time through the rights and votes, served the country as a social secretary to the Philippines President Manuel L. Quezon, Manuel A. Rojas, and Elpidio R. Quirino. Ramon Advancenia was born in Villa de Arevalo. He was a Chief Justice of Supreme Court of the Philippines. He served from 1925 to 1941 when he resigned at the beginning of the Japanese occupation of the Philippines during World War II. The Arevalo Sinamay House was witness to the booming textile production of Iloilo in the 19th century, known then as Textile Center of the Philippines. Sinamay products include wedding gowns, barongs, formal and semi-formal dresses, dining accessories such as table napkins and tablecloths, fans, coin purses, and bags. Albansenya or Kaminya Balay nga Bato. The 150-year-old house was designed by the first parish priest of Molo, Anselmo Albansenya, for Don Fernando Albansenya, who died a holy man healing the sick. It was then passed on from one family to another until it came under the Camiñas family.
Ooh, la 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 la! Parao Regatta!
The first Parao Regatta Festival was conducted in 1973. Its name comes from Parao, which refers to outrigger sailboat, and a regatta, which means a water race of boats and yachts. Regatta Festival is an annual festival held in every third week of February in the Arevalo, Iloilo City, Philippines. Its main event is a sailboat race in Iloilo Strait that features the Parao, a Visayan double outrigger sailboat. It was organized to continue remembering the history of Parao as a traditional watercraft and the skills of a sailor.